Now to the new study on plant proteins and long-term health benefits. Could upping your intake of beans, nuts, and more help prevent heart disease? Dr. Ashton is going to join us more on that right now. So tell us about this study, Jen.
So Robin, here it is. It was just out in the Journal of the American Heart Association. Pretty big study, over 100,000 postmenopausal women. They were followed then for 18 years. And the findings of this study, pretty interesting. They found that the women who ate more protein from plant-based sources had an associated lower risk of dementia, lower risk of heart disease, and lower risk of something we call all-cause mortality, meaning death from all causes, in comparison to people who ate more red meat, dairy, eggs, and poultry.
Yeah, animal protein. So do researchers know why that is?
There are some working theories that have been reported in the medical and nutritional science literature. One of them has to do with inflammatory metabolites. So these are byproducts of animal protein that can then affect the heart and the brain and our blood vessels. Another one has to do with the gut microbiome, that good bacteria. And so obviously what we eat is related to that. So those are the two main working theories at this point.
Okay. Jen, word on the street, you're 3 weeks into a plant-based style of eating. How's it going?
I am, Robin. So this was my little experiment during my last COVID quarantine, and I'm about 3 weeks in, just curious whether or not I could do it, whether I would notice any difference. I've been completely plant-based pretty much for the last 3 weeks. I checked my bad cholesterol. It dropped after just 10 days of eating this way, from 111 to 85.
Wow.
I measured my body composition. I lost 2% body fat. My weight stayed the same, and I lost 1 point off that dangerous internal visceral fat. So even someone doing this just 1 or 2 days a week could potentially have some health benefits.
So what's your advice if others want to give this a try?
My advice is dip your toe in the water. It doesn't have to be all or none. You could start with just 1 day of plant-based eating, and then maybe that will lead to 2. But listen, if I can do it, anyone can do it.
Okay, I'm going to go with a meatless Monday.
All right.
Meatless Monday. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, as you said, it's a start. It's a start. Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.